So what you can also do is you can go around and get troubleshoot support from Microsoft Copilot as if it was a technical assistant. So for example, you have a technical problem. Let's say, for example, I'm not being able to use my Wi-Fi in Dell computer right here, just like this. So now I can say, what should I do right here, just like this. So once I do that, what happens is that it analyzes the problem and tries to give you the solutions right here. So now over here it says one of the ways to ensure is to update your network driver, and it says run the troubleshooter, press Windows I and say enable WLAN auto-config service and uninstall incompatible programs and manually connect to Wi-Fi right here. So you can see that these are the troubleshooting ideas that it is giving me out right here, just like this. So let's say, for example, I cannot turn on Wi-Fi at all, just like this. And if I were to go around and do that, what happens is that it simply goes around and gives out the solution right here. It even gives out a YouTube video, as you can see right here, as a reference right here that you can use, as you can see right here. So now it says check the physical switch for the function key, restart the computer, check airplane mode, reset current network settings, check BIOS settings right here, and update BIOS settings. So you can see that it gives me the solutions on what I can do. So certain solutions can be done right here. So that is what you have, and that is how you can get technical support from Microsoft Copilot. So if you guys learned something, as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.